Differences between capital reserve and revenue reserve. Capital reserve versus revenue reserve. Capital reserve is a reserve created to finance long-term future projects and to write off the capital losses. Whereas, revenue reserve is a reserve created to meet multiple purposes in the near future. Capital reserve is always created out of capital profit. Whereas, revenue reserve is created out of the profit earned in the ordinary course of business. Capital reserves are created for specific purposes and can be used for that reason only. Whereas, revenue reserves are generally created and can be used for n number of uses. Capital reserves are used to finance long-term projects. Whereas, revenue reserves are generally used for the short-term financial needs of the company. Capital reserves cannot be used for dividend distribution. Whereas, revenue reserves are used for the distribution of dividends. Example of capital reserve is reserve created to fund the purchase of new fixed asset. Whereas, example of revenue reserves are general reserve and debenture redemption reserve. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.